I think there's never been a better time to be in manufacturing. It's like a new gold rush. Customers want their suppliers to produce increasingly complex parts. Product life cycles are only accelerating and companies are iterating more. Right now, it's not a question of how much business is out there. It's not about the lowest price. It's about who can deliver. For us as manufacturers, it's about increasing efficiency and finding smarter ways, being creative. Like many entrepreneurs, I've had an unpredictable journey. When I just turned 16, my parents helped me buy a 65 Mustang, needed a lot of work. And so for me, that became a project. At that moment, I remember thinking, this is fun. This isn't like work. And I went to trade school and took machining. That's where I found my passion. Then I was recruited to Northwest Airlines. I started a CAD/CAM reseller business. That kind of led me into MFG.com, where I created an online marketplace. Sold part of that to Jeff Bezos, part to Fidelity, rest to a private equity group in 2013. Then I took some time off and thought about, what did I really want to do next? What was I passionate about? And I realized it was manufacturing. I really liked making things. So I started 2 companies simultaneously. I started ZYCI, the CNC machining business, and I started Fast Radius, a global additive manufacturing business. ZYCI is by far my favorite. I love that we're producing tangible, real, complex parts in an industry that is so in demand. I love that I got to start this business with my wife. I couldn't imagine a better partner. In the course of running ZYCI, I've learned that having great equipment, producing high quality parts, delivering on time, it's an expectation. But there are really 3 things I have found that are differentiators, and that is service, creativity, and partners. Service is what separates truly great manufacturers from the pack. Customers want quick communication. They want help with DFM, design for manufacturability. They want to know if there are any challenges along the way, not when they're expecting their parts to arrive. The second differentiator is creativity. It's the heart of a machine shop. That's where the magic comes in. Engineers are designing ever more complex parts these days. It requires creative thinking and the application of new technologies. The third differentiator is partners. Partners are so important. They give us demonstrations, they give us samples, they help us figure out what's the best way. This is a great time to be in manufacturing. Soon, ZYCI will be expanding into our 3rd and largest location, the 70,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility with room for even more equipment, capabilities, capacity, and creativity. There are so many exciting opportunities to create and innovate better than ever before. And our team, our customers, and our strategic partners are helping us do just that.